Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and today's video is all about a bespoke racking solution that we've upgraded in Artisan Electrics brand new, fully electric VW T6.1. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Artisan Prima amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. So the T6.1 fully electric vehicle is all complete with the bespoke racking solution. The team at Artisan Electrics and ourselves have configured the system and it looks absolutely incredible. If you haven't done so already, they've actually done a VW Caddy for them already recently with a fully bespoke racking solution as well. Link for that is up here. But we're actually joined by Jordan from Artisan Electrics. How are you, Jordan? You all right?
Good, yeah, it's nice to be with you.
Yes, so obviously you remember we did the Caddy, looks incredible. Obviously now this is your flagship vehicle, fully electric vehicle for you guys as well. I think it's your first fully electric vehicle other than the Tesla?
Exactly, yeah, first electric van.
Yeah, so obviously on the vehicle we wanted to get that kitted out as well. So we've got the Sortimo Racking solution fully bespokely designed in a similar configuration to the Caddy, but let's jump into it. At the side door, you've got now plenty of space now, allowing you to store a load of stuff. We've also got the lashing points on the top, which is going to make it so much easier to store stuff. But again, like in the Caddy that we did, you've got a double layer system here where you've got storage, but also the drawers underneath. So you've got plenty of room, as well as a little alleyway tunnel on the side as well, which is quite nice. I mean, what are the drawers to start with going to be used for?
Pretty heavy power tools, so this one, like drills, saws, all that kind of stuff. And then this one will probably be used for cables.
Because this is a lot longer.
Absolutely massive.
So it's a massive amount of extra storage space that you've got down here. But obviously you've got barrels and electrical cables and stuff to go up top. And then you've also got the perfo sheet as well to go onto the back. So you've still got an ability to basically hang stuff on there as well. So a really nice use of space. So let's head over to the back and check that out. Now opening up the back of the van, you've got a load more storage space here and it looks absolutely incredible. It's quite nice, you've got the light that we professionally installed up at the top here as well, and a little switch there as well to control that. Obviously the main thing with Sortimo Racking, not only does it look incredible, very durable, but also it's completely crash tested. So that's a very, very important part for health and safety on vehicles, that all your racking system is completely crash tested. All the way from boxes at the top in smaller compartments, working their way into larger compartments. You've also got removable toolboxes as well, which is quite useful. And then you've obviously got more drawer and compartments down at the bottom. Obviously, with all this extra storage space, how much easier is this going to make work day to day?
It's just so easy. We can just grab a drawer, you know, pull the stuff out, everything will be labelled up, we'll know exactly where everything is, and it's just going to help us to stay organised and work quicker and neater.
I think the nicest thing about these for all you guys, I mean, I'm watching your channel for a while now, you can actually remove these boxes completely as well, take them into site, which is really nice, as well as easily accessing them day to day when you just want to come grab something, whatever bolt or tool it is that you need. You can actually fully remove these from the actual system itself, take that into site and keep that storage stuff as well. But I mean, even just keeping all your stock in there rather than running to wholesalers and things like that on a daily basis, you've got it all in one place basically, which is really nice. I mean, you've seen the Caddy design. Obviously this has got a lot more space towards the back end of the vehicle. Obviously in terms of a look, do you prefer this extra space or?
Yeah, I feel like it's totally different to the Caddy in terms of like this has got way more space because this is a long wheelbase.
Yeah.
So we've got some more drawers and stuff, but I think it's going to be great.
Yeah, no, it should be absolutely incredible, guys. So obviously these racking systems were all configured by ourselves, including all these slots down the middle here. Another thing that we wanted to talk about, obviously the drawers, there's no gap here, but on the sides you've still got a little cubby holes there of storage, but also they're blocked off behind the scenes as well, so you can't have any loss of tools or loss of components down those areas as well. So we're all wrapped up here on today's video, but thank you very much, Jordan, for joining us again, and I'm sure you're happy with your finished product.
Absolutely amazing, yeah, you guys have smashed it again. It looks awesome and it's going to be so practical and useful.
Exactly, I mean, using this stuff day to day is where the difference when you're adding Sortimo Racking makes a world of difference, because you can organise it, you can tailor make these systems, and they're all bespoke, and that is the main key thing. But thank you from myself and Jordan. Make sure you go check out Jordan's YouTube channel, link for everything is in the description below, and also remember to subscribe, like and share, we'll see you all very soon.